How do I use formulas in Excel? In today's fast-paced world, knowing how to use formulas in Excel has become a hot topic. Just yesterday, many people were searching for ways to simplify their daily tasks using this powerful tool. If you are looking to make your data work for you, understanding formulas is essential. To get started with formulas, you need to begin with the equal sign. This tells Excel that you are entering a formula. For basic math, you can use simple operators like the plus sign for addition, the minus sign for subtraction, the asterisk for multiplication, and the / for division. For example, if you want to add two numbers together, you would write it as equals A1 plus B1. To multiply two numbers, you would type equals C2 asterisk D2. If you want to find the average of two numbers, you can use equals left parenthesis E3 plus F3 right parenthesis divided by 2. Excel also has built-in functions that can help with more complex calculations. One of the most commonly used functions is the sum function. For instance, if you want to add all numbers in a range, you would use equals sum left parenthesis A1 colon A10 right parenthesis. This will give you the total of all numbers from cell A1 to A10. Another useful function is the average function. You can find the average of a range of numbers by typing equals average left parenthesis A1 colon A10 right parenthesis. This will calculate the mean of all numbers in that range. If you want to find the largest or smallest number in a range, you can use the max and min functions. For example, equals max left parenthesis A1 colon A10 right parenthesis will return the largest number, while equals min left parenthesis A1 colon A10 right parenthesis will return the smallest number. You can also combine functions for advanced calculations. For example, if you want to sum only positive numbers, you can use the SUMIF function. This would look like equals SUMIF left parenthesis A1 colon A10 greater than 0 right parenthesis. To handle errors in your formulas, the IFERROR function can be very helpful. If you are dividing by a cell that might contain 0, you can write equals IFERROR left parenthesis A1 divided by B1, cannot divide by 0 right parenthesis. This way, if there is an error, a custom message will appear instead of an error code. Finally, you can build more complex formulas by nesting functions. Always ensure that your parentheses are balanced to avoid errors. For instance, to find the average of a range and round it to two decimal places, you can use equals round left parenthesis average left parenthesis A1 colon A10 right parenthesis to right parenthesis. With these tips, you can start using formulas in Excel to make your data management easier and more efficient.